intro to this video. Here's $1,000 right here. What I'm saying, we got another couple stacks right here, right, and then we got some hundos. Tap VAR, you already know what it is, man. I don't do this just for me. I do this to spread peace and love, to bless people up, to give back, you know what I mean? And that's how we're gonna blow up the channel and other channels. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the other channel. Tap VAR did it. Link in the description right below this video if you haven't already subscribed to that channel, because we're gonna do a lot of this type of stuff. This morning, you know, my mother's in town and everything, and my sister's about to have a baby, so she's about to go back to Boston and be with my sister, but she's in town with me right now. She helps me out, watches my daughter from time to time when I have to work. Ma.
What?
Ma, why you laughing, Ma?
Because I don't know.
My mother's freaked out. She don't trust me. She thinks I'm crazy. Ma.
What?
Look, the company's been doing good, right? And you the best.
I'm the best.
You the best mom in the world, right?
Yep.
Right? And my sister's about to have a baby, right?
Yes.
Right? And you're about to go out there and help her out, just like she helped me out with my daughter, right?
Correct.
All right, so here's something. All right?
What?
What you mean what? Okay. Here's 1,000.
What?
That's 1,000 right there. I'm serious. That's 1,000. All right. Is that not enough? Is that not enough?
1,000.
Is that not enough?
That's enough.
No, it's not enough.
It's not enough?
I don't think it's enough.
What?
Here's another 1,000.
Okay. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, that's another 1,000.
Is that enough?
That's enough.
That's enough?
That's good.
No. I don't think it's enough.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think it's enough. Hold on. Here's a couple. These are crispy hundreds.
Oh my goodness.
That's another 1,000 right there.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Is that good?
That's good.
Is you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. Okay. Mom's okay. One thing I want to ask you is, what is this right now?
Tap VAR team, run it up.
Right on time, we late to the party. Yeah.
Oh man, look at all this big line for Costco gas right now. It's not even 6 a.m. Life hack, if you haven't noticed, Costco gas opens at 6 a.m. Fill up quick. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Good morning, team. Run it up. First order of the day. It's about to be 7 o'clock, and we just finished shopping. Not a banger, but a lot. Boom. Look at all that. Only $35 for this, but the delivery is 6 minutes away. I swiped this at 5:40 while waiting for gas at Costco. It's not even 7 yet, and we about to check out, so this is still good.
Party animals, leaps of faith, Geronimo. Check my watch, tick tick tock. My God lives outside of those. Please do not.
All right, fam, so here's the situation, right? We've been waiting around because Instacart is some poopy poop this morning, this Saturday morning. But I just swiped a $14 3 items, 0.9 miles from Giants. I'm on my way to Giants right now, and I'm trying to get there pretty fast because Costco is about to drop. On Saturdays, Costco drops early, 9 o'clock, and it is 8:23 right now, so we gotta do this quick, right? It'll turn the 34 that I've made into about 48. I would say this is a $14 batch, some around there, probably a little bit more. Hopefully I find everything. It's only 3 items, multiple units, and we're gonna bang this out. Let's get it, team, run it up. Alright, team, run it up. Alright, team, run it up. Let's get it. We outside of Costco right now. You see this? Yo, I ain't never seen Costco look so beautiful when the parking lot looks like this. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Like, people, please stay home. Stay home. Just leave it up to the Instacart shoppers. Please leave it up to us to do all your shopping, please, because this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. But anyways, I got a $43 batch, 14 items, 5 miles. So that's pretty sweet, right? But I have to wait about 20 minutes before they open the doors because it's Saturday morning, and you see batches way before they open the doors. So I'm just chilling now. We're gonna go bother Bella real quick. She's right over here. Oh, I'm about to hit the pole. Is that a pole behind me? That's definitely a pole. And I almost hit it. Hey! Hey! Hola! Hola, bonita! Hola, bonita! I'm out. I got the 40.
Yeah, end up in a cell, free but a slave or inside the grave.
Hey, what's up, team? Run It Up. So we're back at Costco. Look, I'm not even gonna lie, I was getting real mad. You could ask Bella. I was getting like ticked off because I'm at $92 at 10 a.m. right? And then they just want to show no batches. Well, they were showing 17 batches, all trash, all like I'm talking about 17 miles, 50 items, $19. Ain't nobody doing that. And so this is 4 items, $13, 4 miles. It's gonna put me over $100 at 10:30 a.m. and I'm gonna keep going. I'm not slowing down, Instacart. I don't care what you show me. I'm gonna take the best out of what you show me and I'm gonna bang it out quick. Let's go. Yo, Bella got did dirty. Jeez. No. Oh my goodness, yo. Oh man, you got did dirty. All right, fam, so we back at this old stupid crowded Costco. Look how it looks now. You know what I'm saying? This morning it was nice and clear, but now look at it. All the zombies are here shopping. We got a $36 double 10 miles. Not the greatest batch, but we're gonna keep it moving. Like I said, let's get it. Team Run It Up. Easy money. Easy money. All right, so quick update. It's about 3:20 p.m. right now. And it's getting crazy because there's no batches, but then the batches that do pop up that are good, I can't even snatch. It's crazy. I finally got a good one. I just got a 58. It's crazy. It's 3:30 right now. I done 2 batches. My camera died, but I found my charger and charged it up. And we headed in right now for a $58 batch. I don't even know how far it is, but this has been the best batch I've seen all day. $58. So we're gonna crush this real quick. Let's get it. Team Run It Up.
Blow sick. Man, I've been high, I serve a guy who the dopest. Hopeless, what I used to be, now I'm moving packs of that potent pressure. If love is a drug, I need extra. I don't look to people, look to the one who poured and don't even measure. Killing beats give me pleasure. Please call the medic, this beat came to me on a stretcher. In the lab, I step to the mic and feel like I'm down.